Hello friend, today I will introduce our thermal camera mounting brackets for you. As you see, this one is our MHD thermal camera with bracket. Let me show you, you can use this bracket to adjust the position, angle, and the height. Yes. Okay. Let me show you the details of brackets. First, you can see there are some interspace on the side of the bracket. Use this small hole fixed with the screws, and the second, use this small holes to fix the first bracket, and there are two bigger interspace to make you choose a different position. Okay. The third one, there are some holes on the side of the bracket, just like that. Choose one position and use the screws fixed on it. You can change the height. And the first bracket and the camera.